Hello everyone and welcome again to another episode of Minimalist Gourmet, where today I'm going to be teaching you how to make bacon and potato chowder. That's right, this delicious dish is super easy to make, only takes one pot, and can be made in about 40 minutes. So let's get started. Let's take a look at our ingredients. You'll need 4 to 5 minced cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 green onions, as well as 2 large carrots chopped up into bite-sized pieces, and 2 full ears of corn that I've taken off the cob. Let's take a look real quick at how to take the corn off the cob really easily. I like to start from the non-stem side here and cut toward the stem side. Simply hold your cob vertically against a cutting board and carefully slice down. That's it. This is the quickest and easiest way that I found to get the corn kernels off of the cob. Additionally, you'll need 6 medium potatoes cut into bite-sized pieces, as well as 1 whole package of bacon that has been diced up. Over medium heat, we're going to cook our bacon until it's cooked all the way through. Now, when you're done cooking your bacon, you will be left with bacon grease. You need to leave about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the grease in the pan for the rest of the recipe. However, if you have a lot more than that, go ahead and pour it out until you have just about 2 to 3 tablespoons left. We are going to saute up our green onions in that bacon grease here for about a minute or two. You can also use white or red onions in this application. They'll all work fine. You really don't want to saute these for more than about a minute or two max, as you're looking to just give them a tiny bit of flavor here, not really cook them all the way through. Follow that up with our garlic, which we are going to cook for about a minute or two as well. We're just trying to look to add a little color and flavor, not cook it all the way through. And next we're going to put in our potatoes, our corn, as well as our carrots. Add everything into the pot and top that off with 5 cups of cool drinking water. Next, 3 chicken bouillon cubes, a healthy dose of ground black pepper, a few heavy pinches of dried herbs, and give everything a healthy mix. Over medium-high to high heat, you want to bring the soup up to a boil and then reduce the heat down and allow it to simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes. What we're looking to do is just barely cook through our potatoes and carrots, which we're going to check with now after 10 minutes of cooking. The potatoes and the carrots should yield. You should be able to cut them easily with a spoon, but they shouldn't be super soft or mushy. These look good. Let's go ahead and give it a taste as well and check for salt. Remember that bacon can be salty, so this is why you want to double check and make adjustments as necessary. With our seasoning spot on, we're going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. That'll bring a lot of richness and make this into a great chowder. We're going to allow this to cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes with the cream mixed in. And finally, let's thicken this with a slurry. I have about 1/3 of a cup water with 3 to 4 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed in. We're going to pour this into our soup as we mix continuously. Now, I like to have just a little body to my chowder. I don't really like it to be super thick. So again, this is up to you guys. If you want it to be really thick, add a little bit more slurry, a little bit more cornstarch mixed in. If you like it to be a little more soupy, add less. And don't forget that you need to let your soup come back up to a simmer in order for that slurry to thicken. So don't adjust the thickness by adding more slurry until you've allowed it to completely come up to a simmer, and check it. Now let's take a look here, and this looks good to me. This is just as thick as I like to have it. Again, adjust it to your own tastes. Again, this makes a great weeknight dinner to make at your house. It is super simple and can be done from start to finish in about 30 to 40 minutes. It is a one-pot wonder. It has everything that you need with your vegetables, your meat, your sauce, and it is so satisfying. I like to top mine with a little bit of chopped up cilantro, but also some chopped up bacon or grated cheese make a great addition. And guys, it is just that easy to make this delicious dish at home tonight in your own house. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again here real soon on another episode of Minimalist Gourmet.